Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. All praise to Allah for opportunity to be here. Let me brief introduce myself. My name Nur Pratama Aprianto from Electromedical Technology Department, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Today I will be present of our last community service. The topic is application of portable biomedical device in community-based NCD screening. This program was carried out partnership with PCAS Aisyah Dayu with strong support from our university, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta under the Muhammadiyah regular grant program. So, why this program? As you may know, non-communicable disease or NCDs like high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease are now its leading cause of early death in Indonesia, especially in productive age population. Unfortunately, many local community lack both awareness and access to proper screening tools. In PCS Dayu, specifically, we also found local head cadre had limited training and experience using medical equipment or managing health data. So there raised an important question: how can we strengthen early detection or empower local health worker using simple, affordable technologies? Our goal were simple but impactful. The first is to improve early screening of NCD using portable biomedical tools. The second is train build confidence among community health cadres. The third is create a simple, adaptable screening model that work at the grassroots level. And the last is evaluation the effectiveness of cadre lead screening will identifying areas for improvement. We focus on two key group, local health cadre from four sub-brands in PCS Dayu, and a female residents aged 25 to 70. We use digital blood pressure monitoring and GCU tester for glucose, uric acid, and cholesterol, and digital scale. The scope of our work include early screening, health education, and structured evaluate of cadre performance using both manual and digital tools. How did we carry out the program? We use community-based participatory approach with focus on initial health screening using portable diagnosis device. The second is structured observation checklist to assess to 12 case indicator of cadre performance, field notes, photos, and feedback from both participant and facilitator. And finally, we perform both qualitative analysis of health screening data and descriptive evaluation of technical and communication skill. What did we find? Let's start with initial screening result of one subbrand in Argosari. We screened 26 women aged 25 until 70. Here's we found 28.5% had high blood pressure and 50% had elevated uric acid level. 20.1% had high blood glucose, and only 20.8% had a normal blood pressure. The result taught us one thing very clearly: more than half of participants had at least one of NCD risk factor, especially hypertension and hyperuricemia, and yet many of them had ever been screened before. How did the health cadre perform? We trained 12 health cadre from four bands, Argosari, Argodadi, Argo Rejo, and Argo Mulyo. Technically, they did a great. 100% of them perform weight check, blood pressure, measurement, and glucose test correctly and hygienically. But when it came to communication, we found about 10 until 15% had a trouble explaining the result clearly, giving a lifestyle advice, or answering a basic health equation. For example, on question 4, uric acid test, 15 cadres scored 2 perfect, but 5 only score 1 or partial, and communication related question 8 until question 11, several scored just 0 until 1. What does this tell us? Well, the technical training worked, but now it's time to go deeper. We need to include communication skill modules in the future training, especially for counseling and explanation result to community member. The program solved the empowering cadre with tools is only half the battle. We also need to build their confidence in delivering health message. So what's the big takeaway? This communication service project gave us a clear and practical model for NCD prevention at local level. We empowered health cadre through hands-on training. We identified real health risks in a community, and we saw the value of simple biomedical tools when placed in the hands on the trained local worker. But more important is thirdly, highlighted the need for continuous mentoring, stronger communication training, and scale up local tech-based health initiative. If done right, this approach cultivates a beautiful international strategy for reducing the NCD burden at the grassroots level. Maybe enough for me. UMY ada masyarakat berdaya. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.